Hey everyone, this is just a quick follow-up video on the video I did a couple of days ago on the SSL certificate that Google is now requiring everyone to install on their websites. And based on that other video, we had talked about how when you install the SSL certificate, you will now see the S in HTTPS in your address bar of your website rather than just the HTTP. And also now we have the green lock that shows that it's verified, and then when you click on it, it shows that it has a secure connection. But one of my clients ran into an issue this morning where she installed her certificate and it didn't show that it was secure even after it was verified. So over here we have our other website for our screen printing business, Ferret Brothers Marketing, and you can see up here it does have the S in the address, so it should be secure. But when you click on the lock, it has a exclamation point on it, and when you click on it, it says connection is not secure. But if we go over to that website I showed you the other day, the SSL checker, and you type in your website address and then check SSL, it shows that I've got green check marks on everything. It has a certificate installed and that certificate has been verified. So if that is the case, then how come on the actual website it doesn't show that it's secure? And usually what this means is that you have mixed content on your website, which is very common. Almost everybody has it. And what it means is that you either have links to videos or images that are off-site that are not encrypted. And it's a very common thing, and it doesn't mean that your site is not secure. But it might make people a little hesitant if you don't have the little green locked padlock up here. So here's a really simple, easy fix to encrypt that mixed media on your website. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to your dashboard of your website, and then we're going to scroll down to plugins. And then we're going to add a new plugin. And the plugin that I like to add is called Really Simple SSL. And here it is right here, and you just click Install Now. And then click Activate. And then when it pops up, there's a little blue button that says Go Ahead, Activate SSL. And then when you scroll down and you find that plugin, Really Simple SSL, and click Settings, it shows that it's installed and I've got everything checked that I need checked. Don't worry about these, you won't need those. So what that's doing is it is encrypting the mixed media that's on your site so that Google can verify it. And now if I go back to the website, you'll see now that we have the green padlock on it. And when we click on it, it shows that we have a secure connection. So that's all you have to do to be in compliance. And it's, like I said, it's a very simple fix, but if you have any issues with it, feel free to give me a call back, and I'll help you through it. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you very much.